am a diagnostic product specialist. We support the entire product line. Every piece of equipment we can diagnose and help repair and or teach sessions and classes, education on equipment, how to use it, how to clean it, how to sterilize it, and different things of that nature. Every piece of product. I like learning new things about the equipment, the anatomy of the eye. It's very interesting, something I've never done before. So I come in the morning, we check emails and voicemail messages. So if a customer has any questions or concerns about equipment, if they need to set equipment up for evaluation, they can call directly to the product specialist team. I usually start the day down the street in the park with a cup of coffee and then work my way into the office. Before I started working for Keeler, I was an automotive repair mechanic. It's more of a hobby now. I don't like getting dirty, so that's why I'm in the ophthalmic industry now. It keeps me very clean.